Photology 2022 is going to begin. Y'all know whatever I'm trying to say, but it's about to be amazing. The people are here, the vibes are hot, so just stay tuned. Oh!
My name is China. I've been into photography since 2014, so now I'm going into it full time. I am expecting to learn from this class like more of the business side of it, and then the lighting, because it can be a bit intimidating.
So I had a blast at the photology class. It actually like over exceeded my expectations. I actually got more than I thought I was gonna get. I learned like, you know, how to pick like the right aperture, the right lighting settings and things like that, how like the lens and things matter. So I actually got more than I expected. I'm just ready to take these tools and take my photography business to the next level. So thank you, Jason McCoy, you the GOAT, man.
So my experience today was amazing, absolutely amazing. I think this is a great opportunity for models and both photographers, or upcoming and aspiring photographers. The environment was very comfortable, very inviting. I think it was great energy that made it such a great shoot for everyone.
What's up, what's up, what's up? Photology 2022 is a wrap, but you know we can't end without a boom. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, boom! Just like that. Stay tuned for the champagne toast. Here we go.